So, why is it so hard for organizations to standardize on a single enterprise browser?
Yeah, I think same reasons that organizations have a hard time adopting a single anything, right? Asking people to now use that one mandated browser that your company prefers, or at least someone at your company prefers, is just it creates additional friction.
And you might have multiple departments, and maybe one division of a company wants to use a Google Chrome browser, and maybe another division wants to use a Microsoft Edge browser. So it's very unlikely that you're going to have a single homogeneous browser ecosystem within your environment.
The browser is meant to connect to something. In the case of Google, the Google Workspace. In the case of Edge, the Microsoft Office 365 workspace. And they're creating these unique curated experiences more and more with AI built into both the workspace and the browser, working synchronously together to deliver a cohesive experience.
The thought of forcing an organization into a single browser and defeaturing and reducing the capabilities of the applications they need to access is a non-starter for most organizations, which really relegates the use case for a replacement browser to a very, very small set of users, typically unmanaged users, and applications that are able to be accessed by any browser, be it Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, and so on. That really isn't an enterprise-grade solution, and it doesn't fit with the ethos of most IT organizations.
So being able to protect across those varying type of browsers becomes extremely important, and it also allows you to have a highly secured environment while not negatively impacting how users are trying to get their work done.
Nobody wants to say no to choice.